Russia never touches down there.
Going to Redskins car show?
Well, yeah, it's like next time.
It's been spent. This is my sense.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why I said so, buddy.
Yeah, I have to do this. Let me go ahead and
Dodge a Caravan and a Chrysler Town and Country.
You drove into DC for that?
Yeah, it's like.
I don't drive in DC for anybody.
Oh, just getting out of there, I'm like, you're coming. You're too close. You're too close. Yeah, right.
You have to get sponsored. You can't just go down. Like, you used to be able to go down to like a DOD office and be like, hey, I want to pay for my, I want to get a security clearance so I can put it on my resume. If you swap like an LED, yeah, it was like that. I just light up I have a full day. You mean on the door? No, on the seat. On the seat. On the seat. I have it that way. You know that?